A series of pager explosions have shaken Lebanon, targeting Hezbollah members in a shocking coordinated attack. This raises serious concerns about escalating violence in a region already fraught with tension. With various political and military factions on edge, the fear of retaliation looms large. Hezbollah, a dominant force in Lebanon, has remained silent so far, but the stakes are high. Will this lead to a cycle of violence that destabilizes the entire region? The uncertainty is palpable, and the world is watching closely.